It's been a while since the last time I take a walk to the seaside, and today the weather is now very good. It's a little bit rainy, but I decided to go, so I feel very happy. I made a decision, and it's very beautiful, and I enjoyed every minute, every second of it. So, oh yeah! But right now it's about to rain, but never mind. That's exactly the very gift from God. That the rain, the sunshine, the clouds, like the flying birds, everything. And sometimes a little rain simply makes you appreciate the sunshine even more. And man, I've been loved every bit of it. The pain, the joy, the ups, the downs, the struggle, the joy, the process, and the results. Man, I've been loved every bit of it, every bit of my life. What more can I ask? I'm happy. I feel very blessed. Thanks God, the Most High.